Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Ecommerce Admin Dashboard template with Laravel. When we run PHP Artisan Serve, Laravel uses PHP's built-in web server and by default runs the application at https://127.0.0.1/8000. The application automatically redirects us to the login page because authentication is enabled and the user is not logged in. When the login credentials are incorrect, the login attempt fails because the account has not been registered yet. Here, we fill in the registration form with the required information, such as the name, email, and password. However, the registration does not work yet because the database migrations have not been run, so the required tables have not been created. When we run PHP Artisan Migrate, Laravel automatically creates the necessary tables in the database based on the migration files. However, the database itself must already exist and be configured in the env file. Migrations do not create the database, only the tables. Now that the database tables are created, we can fill out the registration form with the required details like name, email, and password, then submit it to successfully create a new account. After registering, check your database to make sure the new user record has been successfully saved in the users table. After a successful registration, the user is automatically redirected back to the login page to sign in with their new account. After a successful login, the user is redirected to the e-commerce dashboard page, like the one in the admin template, where they can see sales stats, orders, and product information all in one place. This application includes a language switcher, allowing users to easily switch between different languages for a better personalized experience. This is the e-commerce products page from the Ecommerce Admin template. Let's go through its main features step by step. At the top, we have the page title and the search bar where you can quickly search for products. Next, you see the filters and categories to help narrow down products by type, status, or price. Below that, the product list is displayed in a clean grid or table format showing each product's image, name, category, price, stock status, and readings. Each product card also has action buttons for editing, deleting, or viewing details. On the right side, there is pagination to navigate through multiple pages of products. The design is responsive, so it looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. This page makes managing products simple and efficient for any e-commerce admin. This is the e-commerce product details page from the Ecommerce Admin template. At the top, we have the product name and breadcrumb navigation to help users know their location within the app. The main section shows a large product image with a gallery of thumbnails below to view different angles or variations. On the right, you'll find key product information like price, SKU, availability status, and customer ratings. There's also a detailed product description to give users full insight into the product features and specifications. Below that, you can see options to select product variants like size or color if applicable. Call to action buttons like Add to Cart and Wishlist make it easy for users to take the next step. At the bottom, customer reviews and related product sections help boost engagement and sales. This page provides a complete overview of the product to support better purchasing decisions. This is the Add Product page from the Ecommerce Admin template. At the top, we have the page title and breadcrumb navigation to show the user's current location. The form allows admins to enter all the necessary details for a new product. First, you can upload product images using the Image Upload field. Next, fill in the product name, category, and price fields. There are options to set the stock quantity and product SKU for inventory tracking. You can add a detailed description to provide more information about the product. Additional settings include product status, whether it's active or inactive, and other customizable attributes. At the bottom, the Save button submits the form to add the new product to the store's database. This page helps admins easily add and manage new products in their e-commerce store. This is the e-commerce orders page from the admin template. At the top, you'll find the page title and a search bar to quickly locate specific orders. Below, the order list displays key details like order number, customer name, order date, status, and total amount. Each order entry includes action buttons to view, edit, or manage the order. You can filter orders by status, such as pending, completed, or canceled, to easily track order progress. Pagination controls at the bottom let you navigate through multiple pages of orders. This page provides a comprehensive overview for managing all e-commerce orders efficiently. This is the e-commerce order details page from the Velzon admin template. At the top, you can see the order number along with breadcrumb navigation for easy navigation. This section displays customer information, including name, email, and shipping address. Below that, you'll find the order summary showing the order status, payment method, and total amount. The product list shows all items included in the order with quantity and price details. You can also track the order timeline, which shows each step from order placement to delivery. On the right side, there are action options to update the order status or manage fulfillment. This page gives administrators full visibility and control over individual orders. This is the customer list page in the admin dashboard. Here, all registered customers are displayed in a structured table. Each row shows important customer details such as name, email address, status, and total orders. You can use the search and filter options to quickly find specific customers. Action buttons allow you to view customer details, edit information, or manage their account. Pagination at the bottom helps navigate through a large number of customers. This page makes it easy for administrators to manage and monitor customer accounts. This is the shopping cart page. Here, users can see all products they have added to the cart. Each item displays the product image, name, price, quantity, and subtotal. Users can update the quantity or remove items from the cart. The order summary on the side shows the total amount before checkout. This page allows users to review their items before proceeding to checkout. This is the checkout page. Here, users enter their shipping and billing information. They can review their order details, including products, quantities, and total price. Payment options are selected in this step before placing the order. Once everything is confirmed, the user completes the purchase by submitting the order. This page finalizes the shopping process. This is the e-commerce sellers page. Here, all sellers are listed with their basic information, such as name, store, status, and total products. You can use search and filter options to quickly find specific sellers. Each seller has action buttons to view details or manage their profile. This page helps administrators monitor and manage marketplace sellers efficiently. This is the seller details page. Here, you can view detailed information about a specific seller, including profile details and store information. This section shows the seller's products, total sales, and performance statistics. You can also see recent orders and customer feedback related to this seller. Action options allow administrators to manage the seller's status or update their information. This page provides a complete overview of an individual seller's activity. This is the Invoices list page. Here, all invoices are displayed in a table with details such as invoice number, customer name, date, status, and total amount. You can use the search and filter options to quickly find specific invoices. Each invoice includes action buttons to view, download, or manage the invoice. Pagination at the bottom helps navigate through multiple pages of invoices. This page makes invoice management simple and efficient. This is the invoice details page. Here, you can see complete information about a specific invoice, including the invoice number and billing details. The customer information and payment status are clearly displayed. Below, the list of purchased items shows quantities, prices, and the total amount. This page also allows users to print or download the invoice. It provides a clear and professional invoice summary. This is the Create Invoice page. Here, users can enter customer information and invoice details. Products or services are added with quantities and prices. The system automatically calculates the subtotal and total amount. Once completed, the invoice can be saved or generated. This page helps create invoices quickly and accurately. This is the Profile page. Here, users can view and manage their personal information. Profile details such as name, email, and contact information are displayed. Users can update their profile settings and change their password. This page allows users to keep their account information up to date. This is the Profile Settings page. Here, users can customize their account preferences. Options include updating personal information, changing passwords, and managing notifications. Users can also adjust privacy settings and connected accounts. This page helps users control and personalize their profile experience. This is the FAQs page. Here, common questions and answers are organized by category. Users can quickly find solutions to typical issues or inquiries. The collapsible sections make it easy to browse topics without clutter. This page helps users get support and information quickly. The Ecommerce Dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your online store's performance. It displays key metrics such as sales, orders, revenue, and customer activity in real time. With interactive charts, recent order updates, and quick access to important sections, the dashboard helps admins monitor and manage their e-commerce business efficiently. In Laravel, web routes define the URLs that users can visit in your application. These routes are set up in the routes/web.php file. Each route points to a specific controller action or closure that handles the request and returns a response, usually a view or redirect. Web routes typically use session state and CSRF protection, making them ideal for pages like home, login, and dashboards. In an e-commerce app built with Laravel, views are the templates that display the front-end pages to users. These views use Blade, Laravel's templating engine, to combine HTML with dynamic data passed from controllers. Common e-commerce views include product listings, product details, shopping cart, checkout, orders, and user profiles. By separating views from business logic, Laravel makes it easy to create clean, maintainable, and reusable front-end pages. In Laravel, the public folder is the web root directory. It contains all the publicly accessible files like CSS, JavaScript, images, and the front controller index.php. When you run your application, the web server serves files from the public folder. This setup keeps your application's core code and configuration files secure and outside of public access. The Migrations folder in Laravel contains migration files, which are like version control for your database. Each migration defines a set of instructions to create, modify, or delete database tables and columns. By running migrations, you can easily manage and share your database structure changes across different environments. This makes database schema management consistent and automated. In Laravel, a controller handles the logic behind each request. It receives input from routes, processes data, interacts with models, and returns views or responses. Controllers help keep your code organized by separating business logic from routes and views. That's it for this introduction. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Laravel tutorials.